Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this video we are going to give the update about many state counselings. First of all, I will update you that still we have the chances to do the registration for Telangana state, Andhra Pradesh state and Bihar state and then Uttarakhand state. For Bihar, the last time to do the registration is up to 11 p.m. by today night, and for Uttarakhand you can do the registration successfully by 5 p.m. For Telangana and Andhra Pradesh you can do the registration for Andhra Pradesh until tomorrow by 26th of April. Telangana today is the last day to do the registration. So if you have thought about doing the registration for these states, please go ahead and don't wait until the last moment. Now coming to the updates about the Karnataka state counseling. Yesterday we had received one link on this official website that you can see right now, a provisional verification list. It was available, the link was available until yesterday and tomorrow morning, but now you can see the provisional verified list will be uploaded soon. So if you had a chance to get and open the verification list, it had 6 points in the beginning of the document. The provisional list, they are releasing the provisional list after the scrutiny of the document. Scrutiny of the document is nothing but verification of the document. After they have verified the document, they have notified the all the verified list, and that was the yesterday document that you were able to download. So now stage by stage they are going to release the further students, and in the verification list you will be able to see your roll number and your rank. Okay, so they have removed the link so that they can upload the updated verification list that will have more number of candidates. So they are going to do in stage by stage, and when every candidates are covered, they will tell you that a final updated verification list is uploaded. Okay, they have also mentioned that editing would be enabled to change the application entries, and also for uploading the documents corresponding to the changed entry. If you have done any kind of like wrong uploading of document or any details you want to change, like some dates or some spelling mistake, or the document are uploaded wrongly, it happens. So they are going to as per their notification in the previous verification list, they are going to give you a window to edit those as well. So the process is delayed, and for seat matrix and fee structure, you keep visiting this website, the official website of Kia, and you will be getting those details coming soon. Talking about other states like West Bengal, merit list will be coming today, that is provisional merit list, and the provisional merit list has already came, and today they will be releasing the final merit list. Okay, and choice filling will be happening from 28th to 29. On May 2nd they will be having the allotment seat released. Coming to MP state, the choice filling process is going on. It's there is good chance for those candidates who are looking for NRI seats. There are more than 80 seats available for NRI as per the seat matrix, and you can get NRI seats here in low budget compared to other states. For UP, we are expecting to get seat matrix and all the other details soon. For Punjab, the choice filling is going on. You can go ahead and do the choice filling. Maharashtra state, choice filling was done. They have extended the date for choice filling, and now the result is declared, but they have not published it. Soon you are expecting to get the result published. Coming to the Gujarat state, result was declared, and for the reporting to the college, you can go ahead with the process and can report to the college. Rajasthan state, we are looking to get the result declaration soon, and for Uttarakhand, you can still do the registration. So this is all the update. Coming back to Karnataka state counseling, there are many candidates who couldn't find their names on the verification list that was uploaded yesterday. So there is no need to worry about those candidates. They are going to upload the document, and the complete final document will be uploaded after every scrutiny process is done. Okay, so if your name is not there, no need to worry. In the later phase, when they upload the provisional verification list, you can expect to get your name, and keep visiting the site for fee structure and other seat metric details. Okay, so that is it. And if you are still haven't decided where you are expecting to get seat and how you need to go ahead with the counseling process, still you have time like one day for Andhra Pradesh until tomorrow. So don't waste time. Clarify your doubts and register for the states where you have good chances to get the seat, right? So you can call us if you are still confused. You can call us to the number given in the description. You can discuss with us for the possibilities within your budget and with your rank. So until next video update, saying goodbye. Be safe at your home, and then good luck for your counseling, choice filling, and all the next further processes. Thank you.